Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox and review for you a very special purchase from Paris, and that is a Saint Louis PM bag from Goyard. And if you're new on this channel, welcome. My name is Anna and here I talk about beauty, style, travel. I share my beauty routines, hair care tips and so much more. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and push the like button to this video. It really helps me grow my channel. Here in my hands I have a very special green bag from Goyard, but before we get inside of the bag and see what I got, and before I share with you my whole experience of purchasing a Goyard bag, I wanted to talk a little bit about the history of the brand in case you know nothing about it and you have never heard about Goyard brand. By the way, let's give a moment of appreciation to my beautiful peonies. It is peony season right now, and I think that is one of my favorite flowers, if not my favorite flower of them all. Like pink peonies are just so amazing. Anyway, Goyard brand. I feel like when you are purchasing a bag, a handbag that is that expensive, I feel like you really need to know why you are paying that amount of money, and you have to understand that you are purchasing a piece of art, a piece of history, something that is very special and not just a regular mass market or a premium product. Goyard brand, or Maison Goyard, or the way French people would pronounce it, Goyard, I hope I pronounced it close to the way they pronounce it, is the oldest luxury brand which produces travel goods like trunks, suitcases, handbags and things like this. It is 1 year older than Louis Vuitton. It was founded in 1852 by Francois Goyard. And before Francois Goyard started Goyard, there used to be another shop which was producing trunks and boxes and things for packing, which was already established and really popular among royalties and really like rich people of that era. That shop was called Maison Martin and it was founded in 1792. And young Francois Goyard came to work there, and in the end he took over Maison Martin and changed the name to Maison Goyard. And initially Maison Martin was occupying a space in Paris where then the first Louis Vuitton store would open. But in 1834, I think it was, Maison Martin moved to Rue Saint-Honoré. And the shop on Rue Saint-Honoré is a current oldest shop of Goyard. It's their most famous shop of Goyard. And the oldest store of Goyard, the one on Rue Saint-Honoré, was the one that I visited when I purchased my bag. And honestly, that was an unforgettable experience. You really feel like you're stepping in history. The store, which is almost 200 years old, it really feels old, but it is so beautiful. Everything is made of wood out there. I feel like the floors out there they feel like original floors from 200 years ago, and everything around you is like dark wood. It's really, really beautiful. Another important thing to mention about Goyard brand is that it is a very exclusive brand and it is a very quiet brand. Goyard doesn't do any marketing, they don't do adverts, they don't pay celebrities to wear their handbags, they don't do any fashion shows. And Goyard products can only be found in Goyard boutiques. You will never be able to find new Goyard products online. Goyard doesn't sell online, and you can't even find Goyard prices on their website. You can just see the selection of products that they have on their website. And in total, I believe there are only 29 boutiques of Goyard around the world right now. So don't be surprised that there are lines in front of Goyard boutiques when you arrive out there to buy something. In my experience, when I arrived to Saint-Honoré boutique of Goyard in Paris, I had to stand in the line for about 15 to 20 minutes. It moved pretty fast. I arrived there in the afternoon. I think it was about 4 p.m. It was the middle of May, so it's a touristic season in Paris at that moment, and I didn't have to wait for a long time. It felt really fast, and the whole experience of visiting the store was wonderful. Once I entered the boutique, there was an assistant ready to help me, and once I asked for a bag that I wanted, she brought me everything to show me, to compare. She was really helpful. So I think I've covered everything that I wanted about the Goyard brand. One more thing I wanted to mention is also, you cannot buy more than 4 bags of Goyard per year. That's this way they are trying their best to keep the brand really exclusive. They don't want everyone around to be walking with a Goyard bag. And also, I haven't experienced this myself, but some people say that it's not always easy to get exactly what you want inside of the Goyard store. Like, of course, it's not an Hermes bag, but still, people say that they come to a Goyard, they ask for a specific bag, and it's not always available. In my experience, the bag that I was looking for was in store, ready for me to purchase it. First of all, you get your Saint Louis bag packed in a beautiful green paper bag like this by Goyard with yellow handles, and then inside you have a dust bag. The dust bag is quite big. It is bright yellow, thick cotton, looking like that. Really nice and useful if you want to travel with your bag. And here is my Saint Louis PM tote by Goyard. The color that I chose for myself is a color black, and Goyard states that black is their classiest color. It is also their oldest color, and all of the other colors that they have for the totes are more of a modern twist on the original Goyardine black print. And at the moment, I think they have the total of 11 permanent colors for Goyard goods, but also sometimes they release like other limited edition colors. But in my opinion, it's not really a good idea to purchase a limited edition color. Like right now, I think they have like a blue turquoise and an orange color, because I think that with time, people are going to forget that there was a limited color like this, and your bag is going to look really like outdated first, and second, it might even look a little bit fake, because it's just not a good idea to purchase something like that from a brand like Goyard. Your bag will look like you got it from Temu, for example, because I once saw a girl with a pink Goyard bag, and I know that pink Goyard bags, like bright pink, I think they were released in like 2006, and the girl didn't really look like she got that bag in 2006. So probably that one was fake, or if it wasn't, it looked like fake, and I don't think it's a good idea. So if you disagree, please write about it in the comments below, but I think Goyard is the brand where you really need to keep it classy. I'm so happy with my choice of a black bag. When I arrived in store, I asked for a shop assistant to show me the black bag with brown handles. They call them gold handles in Goyard store. And also I wanted to see a gray bag. A gray bag really didn't look good to me. I felt like this Goyardine print doesn't really look as nice on the gray version as on the black version, and I fell in love with the black version straight away when I tried it on with my outfit. It made the outfit look so much cooler and more like luxury, and I really love the feeling of this bag. It is so light, you really don't feel it on your shoulder when you are wearing it on your shoulder. One thing I wanted to mention is that there are a few different kinds of totes in Goyard. You have Saint Louis, you have Anjou, and I think you have Artois. I think Artois is the one with a zip, so my bag doesn't have a zip, and I don't feel like I need one. I really like throwing stuff inside and being able to grab it really easily, but it's not a bag that you can wear carelessly on a busy street, because people can get inside. But there is a little wallet which is connected to the tote with a leather strap. You cannot take off the leather strap from the bag, but you can remove the wallet if you want. There is a special kind of closure in here which allows you to remove this wallet from the bag, and you can wear it as a little clutch separately if you want, like just to get some money and a key or a lip gloss, and you can go for an evening out with this little wallet. And also there is another bag, I think it's called Anjou, the one that is that has leather lining inside. So the leather lining inside is the same color as the handles. So if you want, you can reverse the bag. If you have, for example, like a bag with brown handles and inside it has brown lining, and then you'll reverse it and you'll have a brown bag. But in my opinion, when I buy a Goyard bag, I want to wear it like that so everyone can see the beautiful Goyardian print. So I would not reverse the bag. By the way, Goyard states that this bag is reversible as well. Inside, it's just simple like white color. So I wouldn't wear it reversible, but if you want to, you can. As I said, it's very light. Also, other bags, they have some special protection in here. If you want, you can get that as well. But Goyard said to me that if I want later in time, I can come back to Goyard store and order a service of adding special protection on the corners in here. And also when I want, I can replace the handles when they start getting older. So I think that was it when it comes to the quality. Like my bag is brand new right now, so I cannot tell you how long it's going to last, how long it's going to look brand new. For now, it feels wonderful. I love how it feels to the touch. This fabric feels really special, which makes it really hard for counterfeit products to be produced. Like it's really easy to tell if Goyard bag is real or it's not. If you own a real one, because you really know how this texture looks and how this texture feels. It definitely looks expensive and it feels luxurious. So this bag fits a lot. I tried on the bigger version of Saint Louis bag and that one looks seriously huge. I can fit anything I want in this bag. My MacBook, I have MacBook Air 13 inches. It fits inside really well, and I still have tons of space after I put my laptop inside. But for now, I don't want to carry too much stuff inside because I want to keep it as new as possible for as long as possible. But I think that was everything that I wanted to tell you about it. By the way, if you want to get the version with a zip or the reversible version with a leather lining inside, that would cost you about 400 or 500 euro more, I think. As a first purchase from Goyard, I think Saint Louis bag is a perfect option. It is a perfect option to start being introduced to the brand, to start getting to know if you love the brand, if you love the quality. I cannot wait to wear this bag non-stop. I feel like this color is going to be perfect with any outfit. If you have any questions about Saint Louis bag, please write them in the comments below. In my experience, getting Saint Louis bag in Saint Honoré store in Paris was very easy. I got the bag that I wanted straight away and the shop assistant was really helpful. But if you have any questions about the shop in Paris, write them in the comments below as well. And don't forget to push the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, if you enjoyed this video. And I will see you very soon with similar videos to this one. Bye!